My name is Umar Farooq. I am marketing director of a company. I use branded SMS for advertisement and sending alerts to my customers. Just log on to brandedsms.pk. It has nice and elegant designed dashboard. Branded SMS offers lowest price guaranteed, annual expiry, ported network delivery, same price for all network, no hidden cost and much more. Branded SMS features API support, Excel to SMS, single and campaign messages, instant delivery, 24/7 365 access, group contact and Google Contact syncing. Absolutely no hardware or software required. Free mask registration and complete message log reporting. And I'm enjoying updating my customers about new deals. Do you love this? You can reach them at www.brandedsms.pk or at their contact details.